Best deals. 1. Microfiber mop. Super absorbent microfiber pads clean marble, tile, granite, wooden laminate floors in one swipe. Use wet for deep mopping or dry for daily dusting. TPU Wiper blade instantly dries bathroom and kitchen floors, removing 99% water for a streak-free, slip-free, shiny finish. No bucket needed for quick cleaning. The 360-degree swivel mop head reaches under beds, sofas, cupboards and tight spaces effortlessly. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Ice cube molds. Pour half the water into the cup when making, only takes 3 seconds to complete the water injection, saving time, then insert it into the silicone cup, gently press the bottom of the lid to expel the air, and put it in the refrigerator for a few hours. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Pot. Perfect for large family meals, weekend biryanis, festive feasts, and healthy steamed dishes. Works as a biryani pot and steamer pot, giving you a double functionality in one kitchen essential. Tripoli base belly shape design ensures even heat distribution, prevents burning, and delivers fluffy rice and perfectly cooked curries. Steaming method preserves natural taste, aroma and vitamins while reducing oil usage. Mirror finish body resists stains and scratches, maintaining shine after every wash. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Grater. Has sharp, stainless steel blades for easy grating, has attachable container for catching, measuring and storing freshly grated vegetables. Sturdy handle provided for holding comfortably while grating the vegetable. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Capsule canister. Featuring a clear acrylic window on the front, it offers easy visibility of contents at a glance, while the airtight seal keeps food fresh for longer. Made from premium stainless steel with a stunning mirror finish. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Shelf. Suitable for installation on tiles, glass, mirrors, laminates, marble, metal or any other smooth surface, load-bearing capacity up to 5 kg. Magic Sticker is an innovative formula that grasps the surface firmly and greatly improves the loading ability and service life of wall in the home. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Soap dispenser. Dual-sided design with a soft, absorbent side for gentle cleaning and a scrubbing side with abrasive material for stubborn stains. Absorbent side for soaking up liquids and spills. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Cloth organizer. Reinforced with durable hardboard panels on the base and sides to maintain shape and stability, no sagging or collapsing, even when fully loaded. Made from high-quality non-woven fabric that resists moisture. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Sink waste collector. Prevent leftover food odor with these mini dustbin for kitchen has individual drain hole and guiding gutter design. The garbage basket can easily drain the water from food waste. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Steamer. Just switch on the power and set the timer, and once the cooking is done it switches off at the set time cycle. Transparent containers are made of food-grade polycarbonate to ensure the best of health and hygiene. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Organizer stand. Made of full stainless steel frame with nickel chrome plating, ensuring its sturdiness and durability. Therefore, this cabinet spice rack won't tip over easily when you use it. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Tablecloth cover. Crafted from environmentally friendly PVC material, ensuring both durability and sustainability. Designed in a rectangular shape, ideal for covering dining tables. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Blender. With several extra attachments for you to do so much more with it, a big jar for shakes, juicer attachment and a chopper. The unique inverted design with the lathe screwed safely at the bottom keeps food intact in the jar and you won't have to keep your hand on the lathe during operation. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Butter dish. The lid that seals can keep your butter sticks or margarine fresh in the refrigerator. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Egg holder. This egg tray for fridge comes with a 3-layer foldable structure that can store up to 24 eggs securely. The compact design ensures maximum storage while keeping your refrigerator organized. You can easily manage eggs without wasting space. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Idli cooker. High-grade whistle provided for better pressure control with resistant to corrosion. This idli maker comes with 6 plates, each having 4 cavities. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Barbecue grill. Made of premium stainless steel, mild steel, scratch-resistant, not easy to be deformed or rusty for durable use. Compact and portable design for effortless storage and transport. Perfect for outdoor BBQs, picnics, and camping trips, home, backyard, and terrace cooking. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Tea kettle. The handle is designed for a comfortable grip and safe use. Simply lift it while boiling and let it cool before touching for a secure experience. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Kadhai. Crafted with precision, this kadhai is a sturdy cooking pot which offers even heat distribution while cooking. The heavy gauge material used prevents wobbling and toppling over while handling the kadhai. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Gas stove. Crafted with a toughened glass top and ultra-slim black stainless steel body, it adds elegance to your kitchen while delivering powerful performance. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Hand blender. Strong, sturdy blender with a 180 W powerful and efficient motor that can be used across a range of cooking needs. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Mixing bowl. This is the perfect set for all manners of prepping, baking and home entertainment. High-quality borosilicate glass mixing bowls gives you a peace of mind when managing your food, resists stains and odors. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Tawa. Works on gas, induction, ceramic, electric stoves, it's stylish and attractive. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Cleaning cloth. Made from high-quality microfiber fabric, these towels are soft, lint-free, and scratch-free, making them perfect for all surfaces, including sensitive ones. Use them confidently on countertops, dishes, and even delicate automobile interiors. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Casserole. Can cook on gas, electric, ceramic, halogen cooktops, ideal for reheating and cooking small portions. 0.75 liter pressure die cast, ideal for 1 or 2 persons. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Pure Cora. Crafted with a solid 0.8 mm stainless steel blade, this Cora offers rugged durability and reliable strength. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Watering spikes. Customize the drip irrigation for each plant. Go slow for succulents or speed it up for thirstier greens. Designed for mess-free watering, this one-piece water dripper for plants prevents leaks, overflows, or soggy soil. This eco-smart water dropper with bottle compatibility makes setup effortless. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Spin mop and bucket. Features 2 separate compartments to keep clean and dirty water apart, so you are always mopping with fresh, clean water. The 360 degrees rotating mop head easily cleans under furniture like sofas, tables. The square-shaped design is perfect for reaching hard-to-clean spots like wall edges and corners. Scrubs and cleans the mop head with every spin, no wringing or touching the dirt, making cleaning more hygienic and effortless. The compact bucket size makes it easy to move wherever you need. Sleek design to fit into closets or small storage areas. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Laundry basket. The foldable design of this plastic laundry basket allows you to store it easily when not in use, maximizing space in small homes, apartments, or dorm rooms. Ideal for clothes storage in tight spaces. With smooth, movable wheels, carrying heavy laundry loads becomes effortless. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Waffle maker. Simply plug it in and go, it heats up in minutes. The dual non-stick surfaces provide an even cooking temperature for consistent results, each and every time, while the cool touch handle provide for a safe experience. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Kulfi molds. Made of non-stick material, which makes the mold easy to clean and safe for the dishwasher. Multiple slots enable the creation of a variety of frozen treats such as kulfi, popsicles, and other custom desserts. Equipped with handles for a comfortable grip and easy maneuvering while enjoying homemade ice creams or popsicles. This silicone popsicle molds for kids is made of food-grade silicone, 100% BPA-free, temperature range from -40 to 230 degrees Celsius, safe to use in oven and fridge conditions. Product link is given in the 31st link. 32. Backpack. Designed for work, travel, and everyday adventures, the sleek and functional backpack is crafted with durable, water-resistant materials and premium zippers. It features a padded 15-inch laptop sleeve with a 180 degrees flat opening, smart front organizer pockets, and hidden water bottle compartments. Product link is given in the 32nd link. 33. Mortar and pestle sets. The translucent lid with a hole allows you to crush nicely even the toughest seed to a fine powder effortlessly. Or you can also grind medical pills for your lovely puppy and mix it up with their food. The interior of this mortar is deep and curved smoothly. Product link is given in the 33rd link. 34. Mesh bag. Space-saving solutions for keeping food fresh in the fridge. Product link is given in the 34th link. 35. Grater. Includes 3 interchangeable stainless steel drum blades for slicing, shredding, and grating vegetables, cheese, salad toppings, fruits, and more. Anti-slip suction base locks the slicer onto your countertop, providing hands-free safety and preventing movement during use. Product link is given in the 35th link. 36. Oven mitts. Crafted with high-quality silicone that provides excellent resistance to heat, protecting your hands from burns while cooking or baking. The reliable heat protection makes them ideal for handling hot cookware, baking trays, and oven racks. Product link is given in the 36th link. 37. Blender. Equipped with a high-torque 380W motor that spins up to 22,000 RPM, this blender easily handles tough ingredients like ice, nuts, and fibrous fruits for ultra-smooth results. Choose between blend, pulse, and crush modes to achieve the perfect consistency, from silky smoothies and creamy shakes to ice-crushed frozen drinks or chunky mixers. Product link is given in the 37th link. 38. Soap dispenser. Featuring an intuitive one-push design, this liquid soap holder for bathroom ensures a smooth and consistent flow of soap with every press. Made from high-quality ABS material. Product link is given in the 38th link. 39. Teapot. Premium-grade stainless steel construction ensures this teapot won't break easily like your glass or porcelain pots. A removable tea infuser helps you to brew your tea easily. Just drop the tea leaves in the infuser basket and let it brew. The ample 1.2-liter capacity allows you to make 4 to 5 cups of tea in one go. Custom-designed pointy spout shape helps you to pour your tea very easily, and your tea will end up exactly where you want to pour it. Moreover, you will enjoy your tea mess-free and spill-free. Product link is given in the 39th link. 40. Toilet paper holder. Perfect size that fits even in congested space. Additional provision has been provided to keep your mobile phone on it. Simply choose a smooth surface such as tiles, glass, metal etc. Installation tip: clean and dry the surface of application before putting the sticker. Product link is given in the 40th link. 41. Snack plate. They are made with our proprietary biocomposite technology with good durability. Product link is given in the 41st link. 42. Clothes organizer. Useful to organize bras, panties, vests, underwear, ties, handkerchiefs and other small garments. Keeps your inner wears clean. Good quality fabric, meticulous stitching with durable base. Comes with laid cover to protect innerwears from dust. Product link is given in the 42nd link. 43. Milk frother. This extra beater whisk head is only compatible with travel milk frother normal, rechargeable additions. This beater whisk is perfect for beating eggs, mixing your protein powders and meal replacement powders. Please do not use this whisk for cake batter or any other very thick liquids. Product link is given in the 43rd link. 44. Chakla with rolling pin. Gently polished surface that adds hygiene, beauty and traditional elegance. Product link is given in the 44th link. 45. Cold press juicer. Whether it's apples, carrots, or leafy greens, this juicer grinder for fruits and vegetables handles it all. A powerful and compact cold press juicer for home that makes healthy living easy and fun. The large 108mm self-feeding chute lets you slow juice whole fruits and vegetables without chopping, making this juicer machine ideal for busy mornings. With a 140mm wide hopper lid, this cold-pressed juicer machine allows you to add ingredients during operation, perfect for hands-free, uninterrupted slow juicing. For your protection, this juicer machine operates only when the top set is securely locked, ensuring safe juicing for every household. This feature-packed cold-press juicer for home includes a reverse function to easily clear blockages, ensuring smooth and hassle-free operation every time. The unique fused strainer design in this cold-press juicer grinder boosts juice output and separates pulp efficiently, delivering smoother, pulp-free results every time. This slow juicer is designed with minimal parts for fast setup and simple cleanup, helping you save time while enjoying fresh juice daily. Product link is given in the 45th link.